Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to create custom slide layouts in PowerPoint. Have you ever wanted to make your presentation stand out from the rest? Well, custom slide layouts are the key to achieving that polished and professional look. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation, then go to the View tab at the top. Here, and then click on Slide Master. Now you'll see a sidebar with all the slide layouts. Simply click on the one you want to customize. You can change the background, fonts, and placeholders to match your branding or style. So here it is, this one. You can change the background here, background styles, like that. Or you can change the font, this one. So to add a new placeholder, click on the Slide Master tab, then choose Insert Placeholder. This one. So you can choose here if you want to add a content, text, picture, chart, table, smart art, media, or online image. So once you're satisfied with your custom layout, go ahead and close the Slide Master view. PowerPoint will prompt you to save your changes. Now click Yes to apply your custom layouts to the entire presentation. And that's it! You now know how to create custom slide layouts in PowerPoint. It's a simple yet powerful way to make your presentations unique and engaging. Before we wrap up, remember that practice makes perfect. So don't be afraid to experiment with different designs to find what works best for your presentations. Your audience will definitely notice the difference. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to create custom slide layouts in PowerPoint. See you on my next video.